Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study a part of the periodic table comprising of 20 elements of the periodic table, and we are precisely going to do so because that is what the requirement of class 10th board is. Half mark question cannot be asked more out of this what I am going to teach in this particular class from this particular portion that I am telling, and this is because that is what in our syllabus is. So for you, I will first write the first 20 elements. If it is hydrogen, and I write lithium here, beryllium, then boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and here I write neon. About this helium, here if I write argon, and here chlorine, here I write sulfur, here phosphorus, then silicon, then aluminium, and then magnesium, and then sodium, and then potassium, and then calcium. These are the first 20 elements. Atomic number is 1, 2. These elements are arranged according to the modern periodic law given by Henry Moseley, and according to it, elements are to be arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers, and they are arranged in the consecutively. See, this is atomic number 1, that is comprising atomic number 2, for atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. So electronic configuration, if you see, for this it is 1, for this is 2, there is only one orbit. For this is 2 and 1, this is 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6, 2 and 7, and for this is 2 and 8. 2, 8, 8, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 8, 1, and 2, 8, 8, 2. Suppose you need to find out, just somebody gives you atomic number of sodium is 11 and find out in which particular group and in which period it will fall. So we write it 2, 8, 1. So see, orbit number 1, orbit number 2, orbit number 3. So this element is having 3 orbits or shells. So this will lie into the third period. Period number 3 is having all the elements that are lying into the period number 3 will comprise of 3 shells, because it is the one shell that we start filling here, and the first shell is completed there. Then we will start filling the second orbit or shell, and that will be completed there. Then in the third period, we will start filling the third period from here, and we will complete it there. So number of period and number of shells that are present in the atom of an element. Sodium is a element. One atom of it will comprise like this, 2, 8, and 1. So these are 3 orbits. Undoubtedly it will lie into the third period. So if you are given number of period, say I say okay, one element is lying in the 4th period, I definitely can know that it is having 4 periods. 4 period that will have 4 shells. 4 shells or 4 orbits. Now in which group it will find? So this is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 13, this is group 14, then it is group 15, this is group 16, this is group 17, and this is group 18. So for these 20 elements, we need to memorize that if I am asking you, okay, this one will fall into which one? So let me tell you, any element that is having its valence electron as 1 will fall into group 1. Any element that is having its valence electron 2 will fall into group 2. And all other elements, if they are having atomic number 3, they will fall into group 13. So this is valence electrons plus 10 is the number of group. For all the elements that are having their valence electrons as 4, the group will be 14. So valence electrons plus 10 is the number of group. For these ones, 5. So for them, the group is 15, because valence electrons plus 10 is the number of group. So for all those elements which are having valence electron 1, the group is 1. The valence electron 2, group is 2, and for all other elements that have the valence electron from 3 to say 8, the group number will be decided by adding 10 to the number of valence electrons. The one that is having 5 valence electrons, for it will group number will be 5 plus 10, that is 15. So if we are given group number, say as I say, okay, one element is existing into the 18th group, so valence electron undoubtedly will be 18 minus 10, that is 8. That we can see here. So this is how you can decide that an element will lie into which group and which period.